This might be Hyundai's boldest SUV ever. The all-new 2027 Hyundai Boulder, rugged, futuristic, and built to dominate any terrain. Hey guys, welcome back. Today, we're taking a first look at the production version of the Hyundai Boulder, and wow, this thing looks seriously tough. Check out that aggressive front design, sharp LED lights, bold grille, and a super muscular stance. This SUV screams off-road capability with its high ground clearance and rugged styling. Inside, it's modern and tech-focused digital displays, premium materials, and a clean layout. It's built for both adventure and everyday comfort. Expect powerful engine options, possibly hybrid or electric, plus all-wheel drive for serious off-road performance. If this is the future of Hyundai SUVs, it's looking very exciting. Subscribe for more first looks.